What up, Prestige family? This is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to remove the third brake light on 2016 BMW, I'm sorry, Mercedez Benz S550. So first thing, you gotta remove this cover off, then unplug this from that area right there. Then for the brake light removal, what you gotta do, it's you gotta push the little bitty cover, you gotta push it out, and then do the same on the other side. You can see it right there. Let's see if so that's the plastic tool. It's really hard to see it from here, but you just gotta push it out that way, both of them, and then the light come off. Very easy. Unplug this from there. There is the red pin, that one that you have to push down and pull the plug out. So that's it. So those are the little pins that you have to push out, and then to put it back on, just align it again with those metal plates and push it back in. That's it. Third brake light removal on 2016 Mercedes Benz S550. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.